Welcome back to Eprice, and I'm back with another video. So guys, as we discussed it 2 days ago, we had this cluster and a bull flag here, and price has literally exploded through it to our target price. So my full target price has been hit. So I am out at 75% of these Bitcoin buys, and I'll just see if I can flip these levels afterwards. But right now, price is holding up. And I did mention to you guys that if you're looking to long here, you'd want to long within this cluster here and target this as well. So if you got in on that long, very well done as well. So what for sharing my next plan with you. Of course, if you're not in the group already, do make sure to join the Discord. Link is in the description below. So today, as you can see, we hit Pixel. We hit a long for Pixel for 4,700% on 100x leverage. And you can see here a couple other members printed off this as well. So again, link is in the description below if you're looking to get involved in my personal trades. So let's go back to Bitcoin here. So right now, as I mentioned already, guys, this will be a very tough resistance for Bitcoin. Okay, and what we want to see now is for Bitcoin to flip this level here with some strong volume and target that 93k level. But at the moment, if I show you guys here, so we did discuss this the other day, if we get a harsh rejection here and we start to accept below 83k, we can very well see 72k, especially with the way the stock market is looking right now. I know people are mentioning some sort of decoupling, but I don't see that just yet. I do believe Bitcoin is just squeezing, and this was fueled by Binance buys, okay? Of course, we have made some nice change of it, but I'm still remaining cautious. So the daily, of course, we've got some clarity there. On the 3-day, you can see we've got this double confluence, as I mentioned, with the resistance here. Okay, so we can see that it is coming to this 3-day resistance here. So the idea is now for us to hold this level here at 86k. I do believe, should we hold 86k around this level here, we should continue higher. So we'll want to see something like this for us to break above that 88k level of clean volume, and for us to target this 93k, which is also the yearly open. And should we flip that, we can target 108k. But I do believe, as I mentioned before, the 93k will be a very, very tough level to overcome. And I think at the moment we are in no man's land. There isn't much of a clear read with Bitcoin. We just have to take it level by level. Of course, as you can see, Bitcoin dominance is up as well. We have taken out this level here. So for us to even do anything, we need to get a nice rejection, which is not looking like the case right now. So currently it is up 5% from when I mentioned it here, and it doesn't look like it's stopping anytime soon. And should we break above, I do believe Bitcoin dominance can go to 70%. So that's something to also look out for if you're looking to collect some alts in the next few weeks. So Bitcoin, as you can see on the weekly time frame, it has really bounced off this weekly level, as you can see here, again into this resistance here. Let's see what materializes here. But it is a very nice reaction after we got these lows here. And as I did mention to you guys many times, it is not bearish until we get 2 or more consecutive candle closes below the EMA clouds, and we haven't had any at the moment. Okay, 0 candle closes below these EMA clouds on a weekly time frame. So this means Bitcoin is in a trouble zone, or it's still bullish. We don't know yet. We shall see when we get some clarification in the next few weeks. But there's nothing yet to be bearish about until we start closing below it. Then we may see 60k once we do close below it. So you can see already when Bitcoin was launched around 15 years ago in 2010, you can see how the green level, the 350 daily MA times 2, has always acted as the strongest point of resistance. And in every bull market, essentially, Bitcoin has obliterated this level. So you can see here, we were at $15 here, we were at $100 here, we were at $1,000 here. Here we're at $16,000. Here we're around $60,000. Here we're around $67,000. And we are yet to take out this level here, which currently lies at $152,000. So that is my next target for Bitcoin in terms of this run. Of course, we don't know how many months or years it will take, but should it come to pass, I do believe 150K will be the next big level for Bitcoin. And if I just draw this out here, you will see why I do believe we should get 150K very soon. You can see we've got this confluence here with this Fibonacci target at 145K. And we got it here again at 168K. And here as well at 205K. So we can definitely fall somewhere in between this level here. And just to remind you, as the price of Bitcoin goes up, this 350 daily MA times 2 would also go up as well. So it is changing every single day based on the Bitcoin price action. So by all means, it could be at 160K by the time we get to the end of the year, depending on how the Bitcoin price action is. So those are my targets for Bitcoin for the next year or two. So do keep those in mind if you are thinking it is over. As I mentioned, unless we get 2 or more weekly consecutive closes below this EMA cloud here, we are not bearish just yet. If we do get a wick into this golden pocket here, then I do believe it is a screaming buy into the 150K region. And if you haven't already, like, subscribe, and I will catch you all in the next video.